Ugh, finally. Hello, guys. Look who I finally caught here. This buddy has been driving me crazy for 2 weeks. He chewed up my favorite socks, dug into a pack of cookies, and played with our craft reserves. So naughty. But I couldn't find a way to catch him without hurting him until I made this trap.
Susie, what are you going to do with him now?
Well, keep him, of course. We can't kick him out. He's so cute. Right, guys?
Hooray! We'll have a new pet!
Yep, give a thumbs up if you like having new pets. And I'll show you how to make this harmless trap. So, let's get started.
Hi-ya! The greatest red hunter slime Sam is with you tonight.
Sam, I need those skewers.
Oops, I have to return them. Here are your skewers.
Hey, can't you be more careful?
No, I can't. That was a dramatic throw-in.
Dramatic throw-in? Okay.
What an interesting piece. It reminds me of something. All right.
Sam, where are you going? My assistant is so impatient. Guys, does anyone assist you in making crafts? Write in the comments. So now,
That's it! Slime Sam is on the warpath!
Hey, warrior, did you forget what we're doing here?
I never forget anything. I even brought you a tool.
Oh, did I ask you?
Didn't you, Sue?
No.
Alright, then give me something to cut.
Here.
Thanks!
Now let's secure them with glue. Right. Look, guys, we made…
Cars? Are you making a prison for the rats, Sue?
No, Sammy, it'll just be a temporary measure.
Well, okay. You should be respectful towards rats. Otherwise, Tater Tots won't forgive us. She will organize strikes. Free the rats!
Oh, Sammy, you've got quite an imagination. Tater Tots knows that we treat rats well.
Yes, we give them houses. Guys, do you remember our video about the house for Tater Tots? Come on, you should watch it if you haven't seen it yet. But first, finish watching this one.
Hey, rats' rights activist. Did you cut out the pieces I asked you?
Pieces? Oh, look!
Well, seems we must hurry, Sammy.
I'm off to get the pieces then. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We really need your support right now. Here are the pieces. They're kind of strange. Sue, why do we need them? And all those wires. And this really nice soldering tool.
We'll create a mechanism for trap closing.
Whoa. Okay, go on, Sue.
And what will you do?
Me? Well, I need to make sure nobody has reached my candy reserves. Guys, where do you keep your sweets? Write in the comments.
So, guys, ask an adult to help you with this step. You should be very careful with the soldering tool.
You should be careful with rats as well. You leave your candies in the wrong place and…
Oh, were all your reserves eaten?
Yes, eaten by me.
Sammy! Right, guys, I prepared everything for assembling our trap mechanism. Look, we're going to connect these two pieces with a rubber band. This will help the contacts close when the time comes.
And…
Should I explain everything to you?
I can explain you everything myself. So, we turn the switch on, and electricity from the battery goes along the wires to the motor. And when the two contacts close, the motor starts working!
Exactly!
But I have no idea what this thingy's attached to the motor.
Doesn't it remind you of anything? And you guys, what does it look like?
Oh! Sue!
Ugh, Sammy, I'm already used to this naughty rat running around here and even washing himself.
I'm not afraid. Who says I'm afraid?
No one said that.
That's right.
Let's install our mechanism into the trap carefully.
Susie, don't we need a lure?
Yes, we do. I've already…
Say no more. Slime Sam is off on this mission.
But I already… Alright. Meanwhile, guys, write which treat rats like. Our Tater Tots likes corn.
Corn! Who doesn't like it? Corn deserves an extra like.
Doesn't our trap deserve a like, Sammy?
Well, first we need to see it in action.
Look, guys. Imagine it's a rat. As soon as the rat steps onto the platform, the trap will close. Yay! Perfect. Well, now the next toy. Pop. Wow, cool! Guys, I have an idea. Let's prank Sam. Da, 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 da. Sammy!
Hey, Sue, where are you? Whoa, are those sweet? Who left them here?
Sammy, gotcha!
Let me out now. Funny, Sue. And here's the rat. Wait, what? 2 rats?
Seems our new buddy has brought his friend along. Guys, our pet family is growing!
Guys, give a thumbs up if you want to see more videos with our pets. And subscribe to the channel.
That's it. Gotcha!
Sue, let's go make houses for them.
Bye-bye, guys. See you later.